Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Gina and welcome to another unboxing from My Creative Scrapbook. This is the November limited edition kit. It just came today. I'm in the middle of another project, but you know how I roll. This is like, yay, mass excitement for me. So I've taken it out, I've not looked at it, and I have my paper today, which is great because it's helpful in covering up the contents. Pulled it out, sat it down, grab my camera, and I'm ready to roll. So let's take a look and see what we have this month. Christmas! Oh, isn't that pretty? Christmas stuff. You know, my favorite part is the papers. That's what I can't wait to see. Oh, and I can see some right here, and it's so pretty. All right, let's get it out. Come on. Okay. Here we go. And our 3 packs of flowers for, oh, look at that, from Prima. Wow, those are beautiful. Very Christmassy. Oh, love this time of year. Fall is finally kind of starting to get cool. And, you know, your mind turns to fall things and holidays and Christmas. So these are gorgeous. I love those. A pack of ephemera. I save that to the end. Oh, look, some little cards. Oh, how cute. I love these. These are so, they're just so handy. Oh, how pretty. I'm sure, you know, this goes with the papers and the images that we have. Oh, look. These are great focal points for cards. You know what? And also, I've made little, what do you call it? Little notebooks out of them. Oh gosh, isn't that cute? You know, put 2 together. Oh, put 2 together, and you know, I put paper in the middle, and it's just a nice little handy notebook size for your purse. Anyway, so these cards are great, adorable. Okay, let's see. Oh wow, look at that. 2 ribbons, 1 yard each. Oh, like some little, what are they, charms? Oh, that's cute. You know, I don't know that I've gotten a, I don't think I've gotten a kit that had something like this in it before. Gosh, if I do, it's been a very long time ago. I don't even remember. But, oh, those are really cute. Oh, I'm excited. I love, you know, it's always nice to get like something new that you've never done or never had before. So I can't wait to figure out what to do with those. Oh, hold on. Oh, that's another one of my cards. And we have chipboard stickers that goes along with our papers, I'm sure. Look how cute. Oh, a cow. I love cows. Oh, look at that. She's got a, you see that? She's holding a muff. I always thought those were so cool as a kid. And I mean, they really weren't popular when I was a kid either, but when I looked at through pictures and stuff of my family, there's a picture of my mom, she had a muff, and I thought those were the coolest things. So, I don't know, you know, how you see something, it just kind of takes you back, and that's what that did. That's cute. And some regular stickers for the alphabet. And a stamp, and you know what? Actually, I think we've gotten this one before. So I might have 2 of these. So I'll probably hang on to one because I might have a giveaway someday. So I won't use it because I've already opened the other one. Now for the papers. Okay. Look at the images. They're just so pretty. Oh, everything's snowy. Oh. Compliments of the season. Too cute. Oh, wow. Look, let's get the map because Santa covers the world. Pretty. I love the wreath images. That's really nice. Oh, and the stocking. Stocking up here. That's really cute. Oh. Ooh, look at that. Very nice. Oh, okay, this must be the second one. You know, we talked about a lot of times you get 2 of the same. Yeah, which is great. Comes in very handy. So you can kind of save one if it's like one of your favorite, you know, favorite pieces. you can save one and then use the other one to cut up and use for projects, cards or whatever. Oh, nice. Okay. Do these match? I bet they do. I bet they do. Maybe not. Oh, look, there's the girl again. I wonder if she's in here. Let's see. Magical. This one says, can you see it? This one says believe. Oh, okay, same one right here. Oh, the pig. Isn't he cute? Okay. Yeah, okay, so yeah, these are a lot of the same images, which is good. Now you get to, and they're a little bit different sizes too, so one may fit better, you know, than the other, depending on what you're working on. Very nice. Okay. Oh, love the plaid. It's so Christmas. Oh, look. Oh, Santa and the reindeer. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I totally forgot to tell you about the collection. These are Prima marketing papers, and the collection is Christmas in the Country collection. That's the name. Christmas in the Country collection. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, okay. Is this the same? Or am I going crazy? Gone. Okay. Yeah, no? Okay, no, that's not exactly the same. I thought it was the same as this one, but it's not. Okay, it's close though, right? Come on, you have to give me that. They both have ball. I mean, you know, it's pretty similar. All right, but it's different. Good deal. I like the backs of these too. Where's that other one? I like that. Isn't that pretty? I mean, both sides are really nice. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, look. Isn't that adorable? This one's called, oh, it's still the Christmas in the Country collection, but this particular page is called Sweet Santa Claus. Oh, isn't that sweet? It is sweet. You have a little stocking up here, the wreath and the bird. This page is just really pretty. I love the back too. The florals. Yay, we have 2 of those. So I can save one. Yep. And I think this is like the other one that we had before. Yes. Yep, that's the one that I thought. Okay, yeah, that's this one. That's funny, a lot of times they're together. I don't know why these weren't together. Okay, they are now. And I think we've seen this. Yeah, we've seen this one before too. Let me put it together. So, nope, right there. All right. You know, I've been bad, and let me apologize now. I think I've had 2 months where I've not made cards from my kit. And I don't know why I didn't do November, because I cut them. I mean, I cut the pages up to get them ready. I don't know why I never did that video. I don't know. Something must have caught my eye, and I must have gotten started working on that instead. And I got to be honest, December, I'm sorry, not December, but October, the Bird Waltz collection. Look, I still have it in the package. I can't bring myself to cut it. These to me are the most beautiful illustrations I've seen, like ever, as far as papers go. And as you can see, there are just gorgeous images on a lot of these papers. I don't know, something about this collection just draws me in, and it just hits on everything that I like. You know, the colors, the images, everything. So, but I'm trying to do better. I keep telling myself, stop saving these papers. I mean, usually most of the time you can get them again, but yeah. I think if you've been watching my channel, I've been working on ephemera, making ephemera, and I think that's what I'm going to do with a lot of these images, because they're just so pretty. I think they would just look gorgeous worked into a journal. So I can promise you I will be doing using some of that for the journal to make ephemera. And cards, I don't know. You just, maybe, for somebody like super special to me, then I would probably be willing to cut this up for cards, but otherwise, yeah, I just kind of want to hang on to it until I just know something like really good that I want to use it for, because it just touches me. Yeah. Okay, so let's go back through what we've got. Something's in here. Hold on. Oh, these. It's like, what's that big lump? All right, so here's our papers. Beautiful. And we have our stickers for the alphabet. And we have our chipboard stickers that go with our collection. And we've got these little embellishments. And I don't... All right, I'm sorry. I'm going to have to open this, because I'm not sure what these are. Are they buttons? Oh, come on. Oh. Hold on, I'm going to have to take one off. Oh. Oh, great. They're just flat on the back. That's awesome. That's great for... Oh, ooh, that's sticky. It's great for gluing. Makes it so much easier. Very cool. Okay. Oh. All right, sorry. I just had to figure out what that was. Didn't know if they were kind of like charms or brads or, yeah, I don't know. But they're just, yeah, I don't know what you call them. Very cool embellishments. So I'll leave it at that. So let me put this back in here. Or not. Where, oh, it's way up here. Oh. Look at that paper. That is really pretty. Okay, all good. So we have those, and we've got these cards, right, that match our papers. And there's, they match the same images as the cutout sheet. So we have 2 copies, which is awesome. And our Prima flowers, which, wow, these are just gorgeous. Can you see these on a card with some of these papers? Isn't that nice? That's just beautiful. Sparkly. Oh, and we have our stamp, which is really pretty. I have used the other stamp, but yeah, it's always not as much fun when you've already got something, when you get something that you've already gotten. Anyway, and our ephemera. Now, I want to open this. As you all, if you've seen my videos, you know by now this is what I do at the end. Because I know, like here, I can show you, you know, what the image is. But that's still not as fun. Oh, hey, somebody, oh, a couple pieces escaped. A couple of stars. And they staple these. I wish they wouldn't. That's okay. All right, let's take a look. Okay, so we have lots of stars. Lots of stars. Gold stars. Christmas. Oops. And a deer. Oops. Okay. Oh, isn't that cute? I know you've all heard me talk about how, you know, I'm not a big fan of the white edges. So, duh. I mean, I can ink them. I don't know why I didn't think of that. You know, I've been watching all of these videos about creating ephemera. So, yeah, I can just ink the edges. The only thing is you like in here, you know, between the legs or somewhere like that, you know, I'm not going to be able to ink. What do you do? I guess I could cut it, right? I mean, I can't do anything right there because it's just too close. But here I could cut in and then I could ink around those, and that would be okay. That's so close I probably wouldn't worry about it. Oops. Put a bow. Oh, look how pretty. Cinnamon gel. Cinnamon gel. I thought I was going to say jelly, but it's like, you know what? It doesn't say jelly. It just says gel. 25. some flowers and wreaths. Oh, there's a pig. Gold tree. The stocking. That's just such a cute image. Love that. Okay, Santa 25. Oh, little girl, lady with the muff. Okay. Oh, it's a little girl. And a butterfly. Gotta have a butterfly. Very nice. Let me clean this up. Alright, well that's it. That's the kit. I have a question for you. If you could, in the comments section, if you could let me know, if you've seen my videos, a lot of times I take close-up pictures of the pieces of the kit and post them at the end of the video. Will you let me know if that's something that you like, or if it's like, nah, I can see it well enough in the video, I don't really need you to do that. It takes time, and it increases how long it takes me to get my video ready and stuff. But I totally don't mind doing it if you think it's helpful. If you're like, wow, yeah, I really like being able to see them up close, then no problem. I would absolutely be glad to continue doing that. So if you could just take a second just to let me know in the comment section how you feel about that, I would really appreciate it. And if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. I do unboxings, and I have just a variety of different areas. I've just gotten into the ephemera in preparation to create like a junk journal or an envelope journal. And I alter objects, especially light switches. I have a whole series for that, and I make cards, and I do mixed media, and I'm working with clay right now. So yeah, there's just a wide variety of things. So take a look at my channel, check out a couple of videos, and if you like what you see, I would really appreciate it if you'd hit that subscribe button. That would be great. All right, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if you have any questions. And you all have a fantastic day. Bye.